What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Looks like I got a little bit of castings on the lid there. Wow. Some water on top. So when I did check in on this bin earlier, there was no worm chow up top, so I did go ahead and add a little more to it. There's some of the skins from some of the earlier feedings. Should have a banana peel still, hopefully in the middle here. Oh yeah. Oh man, and I'm smelling the those garlic scapes. Yeah, very garlicky. Okay, oh, got a little guy on my hand. Don't want to hurt nobody. So like I said last time, I had some spinach that was outside, and you can see it looks a little kind of raggedy. You know, the ends are getting whether sunburn or from the cold. So I ripped off a few pieces to give to the different worm bins. We'll keep this going in the normal fashion. I have some ground eggshell. Oh, there we go. The sweet potato from last time. There's a couple worms in on there. See about kind of pushing that near that feeding area. Hopefully it's coming through the clitellum on that worm. Give these guys a little bit of worm chow. Kind of right in the middle there. Okay. So I had some sweet potato vine. The leaves started turning, and then I have a peace lily. Some of the leaves were messed up on that, and right in here I actually kind of had to up pot it. So I added the used soil into the bin and then up potted that peace lily. So now the last couple times I looked under here, okay, it doesn't look like there's any worms. So I just wiped some of that back into this lower tray. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the Vermihut worm tower. Go ahead, let me know how you guys think it's looking. Like I said, I've noticed many more larger worms. maybe not so much that the population has really like exploded yet, but definitely noticing larger worms. And you've seen today there was a bunch still in that feeding area with that banana peel, a good slow food, a long-term food for them. Let me know what you think and how they're going to handle that spinach feeding. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.